Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create some awesome looking widgets and icons to personalize your home screen with the new iOS 14 update. I'm sure you've seen these around on TikTok and YouTube, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve this too in just 4 easy steps. I will also be sharing some ideas and inspirations to help you along at the end. Let's get started. So step 1, search for your materials, your wallpaper, photos and icons. I'll be using Pinterest to do so. In your Pinterest app, search for the theme you like. For me, I searched for line aesthetics for the minimalist, clean look. So once you have found something that you like, you can download the image onto your phone. So here's my photo album with all the photos and icons that I'll be using. Step 2. Create customized icons. So instead of the standard icon that comes with the app, you can customize it to your style and preference using the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. To create a shortcut, click on the plus sign at the top right. Select Scripting and then Open App. Here, you may choose the application that you want to open when you click the shortcut. Once done, click on the 3 dotted sign at the top right to create your shortcut. Here, you can choose a photo to replace the standard app icon. Since my app is Message, I'll be choosing a logo that describes that. Now, name the shortcut. I'll just keep mine the same. And you're done! So here are all the shortcuts that I have created beforehand for my most used apps like Spotify, YouTube, Facebook. Return to your home screen and you should see your new shortcut there. Step 3. Create widgets. So widgets are like mini programs that run on its own on your iPhone home screen to display things such as the time, calendar, photos, custom notes and more. To do this, you will need to download the widgetsmith app from your App Store. This is my widgetsmith app. You can add to create new widgets. You can also choose the type of widget, be it the time, calendar, photo, battery, custom text and more. So I create one for photo. And once done, remember to save your widget. Step 4 and the last step. Add your newly created widgets to your home screen. Press and hold anywhere on your screen and click on the plus button at the top left. Look for Widgetsmith app. Here, you can choose to add the small, medium or large widget. Add your widget and it will reflect instantly on your home screen. To change it, just tap on the widget and choose from your list. Ta-da! Here's a quick recap. We have completed all 4 steps. Searching for materials first, using Pinterest, then creating shortcuts with custom icons, and next creating widgets and then adding them to your home screen. So as promised at the start of the video, here are some ideas and layouts that I have tried. Feel free to use them or let me know in the comments below what themes you're interested in. Thank you for watching.